Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you so you're planning to be away from your computer for a short period of time and you want to change the status in Microsoft Teams. This is how you do it. You open up Microsoft Teams and on the upper right hand side, click on your account. Here you'll find your current status that you're currently in. It's possible that you're in available. And so if you click that, you will have the be right back status. And so you can easily use this to kind of set the correct status that you're going to be right back, right? What also happen is that you also have the appear away. This is something that you can manually set, but you don't have to. The thing is, if you are not using your computer for a moment or so, or your screen is locked, or you're simple having another window over your Microsoft Teams, what happens is that it's going to automatically give you that status because Microsoft Teams will now be in an inactive state, and so it will show you appear away, right? So that's what's going to happen until you wake it up, or let's say move your cursor again, and or let's say minimize that and start working with Teams, or click somewhere or something like that. Once you start to move your mouse again in that, the Teams is going to wake up and it's going to put you available again. So this is something that can happen automatically, they appear away. But if you want to to manually set like be right back so someone know that you're away and that's your status, this is how you can set it. So just click on that and it's going to show that you're going to be right back. So that's the correct way to actually do it instead of appear away, because appear away can be two things. It can be that you're just not active around your PC and so you just appear that you're away, or you could be close to your computer but just not around the PC at the moment. So I recommend using the be right back status than use the appear away right there. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to use the be right back status in Microsoft Teams.